Here we have a 2014 Ford Focus. It's fitted with the 1.6 diesel engine and got roughly 164,000 miles on the clock. If you've just serviced the car, as we have done, and you've got a warning coming up about changing your oil, which I believe this one has. Oh, there we go. Engine oil change soon. I'm going to run through the procedure on how to reset that. Right, so before you turn the ignition on, you need to depress the accelerator as far down as possible to the floor and hold the brake pedal down as well. Hold both pedals down and turn your ignition on. In this case it's a button, so I'm just going to press it once. Service oil reset in progress. Keep holding the pedals down and it should say complete. Service oil reset complete. So release the pedals, ignition off. I'll put the ignition on again. That message should have disappeared now. Just give it a few seconds. That's it. That's how you reset, and that should reappear again in 12 months' time.